This two-story prefab tiny home is designed to make the most of vertical space, giving a small footprint a surprisingly spacious feel. With its smart expandable design, the container-style villa opens up into a comfortable layout that separates living and sleeping areas. It's an efficient option for anyone who wants a cozy home that still gives the sense of openness and room to breathe. Inside, the home offers plenty of flexibility. The layout can be customized to include 3, 4, or even 5 bedrooms, along with 2 bathrooms, perfect for a growing family or anyone who enjoys having extra rooms for guests, work, or hobbies. Every family member can enjoy their own corner of the home without feeling cramped, while still sharing comfortable communal spaces for cooking, relaxing, and spending time together. The modern design keeps daily living simple and practical. The kitchen is fully functional and thoughtfully arranged to make meal prep easy, whether it's for quick weekday dinners or big weekend cooking sessions. Multiple bathrooms help keep the morning rush manageable, adding convenience to everyday life. The overall layout supports both togetherness and personal space, making it well suited for families of different sizes. One of the best features of this tiny home is its foldable modular structure. Because the main frame folds for transport, the house can be moved and installed with less hassle than many traditional builds. On-site assembly is straightforward, making it possible to set everything up quickly. Its frame is built from strong galvanized steel, paired with high-quality sandwich panels for the walls and sturdy flooring materials like MGO board, fiber cement board, and PVC board. This combination gives the home durability and protection while keeping it lightweight and easy to work with. The home also comes in a range of sizes, 20 feet, 30 feet, 40 feet, or custom dimensions, and offers many color and style options, from clean white and gray to wood grain, brick texture, camouflage, and more. It can be used as a full-time tiny home, a garden villa, a farm hut, a mobile cabin, or even an office or small warehouse. With its mix of flexibility, strength, and modern design, this prefab tiny home brings convenience and comfort together in one compact package. For more info, check the link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.